Now, children, put the guns down.
Yeah.
I'll be removing them.
Hello, I'm Jessie Maley, and we are the cast of Shadow and Bone, and this is
Besties
on
Besties.
for 70.
Okay, so the first question is to describe each other using one emoji.
It's the dancing man in the purple suit.
Yeah, Dancing Man in the Purple Suit.
Freddie is the monocle.
Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect.
Perfect. I'll take it. You're a... I've got to say it.
What?
You're a bunny rabbit.
Can you get those?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a bunny emoji.
Oh.
Do we have a group chat?
Yes, we do have a group chat. In fact, I think there's actually a few
There are
different
several.
ones. There are lots of different ones. OG one, then there's the big group, which has about 18 of us in it.
Yeah. There's also one that's called something like Snacks or something like that. The third AD who was looking after us when we arrived on set, she would ask what snacks people want. So there's like only selective people are on it, but it's kind of like it's just Shadow and Bone snacks.
That one I do wish I'd known about.
Yeah.
Who do we think texts the most?
Well, I know I text the least. So.
Yeah, I feel you two are the
Yes.
least. I think it's Archie.
I think it's Archie.
It's definitely Archie.
Yeah.
Archie's
Group chat.
always putting
There's a lot of memes.
Yeah,
in the
oh, I
group
love
chat.
it.
And then there'll be silence afterwards, and then we'll all receive an individual text going, did you see what I put in there?
Who leaves everyone on red?
You.
Amita!
Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so
My-
bad at texting.
I have
You're
improved.
better.
Yeah,
I have
yeah,
improved.
well,
There was a time when I think we just got the episodes to watch season 1, so we're all kind of talking to each other, and we've been talking then a bit, and then I think after a couple of weeks I was like, hey Amita, how are you? And then like 3 months went by, and then you went, fine thanks, and you?
what are our favourite memories on set?
Probably when we all get together.
Yeah, I was going to say
Because we
that.
hang out so much socially when we shoot in Budapest. We get to see each other all the time, but then it's different at work.
I think also because we have lots of scenes where we're not actually in the same scenes, we might be shooting on the same day. So like there are times when like we might be coming in for the second half of the day because we'll be shooting tonight, but we'll see you guys and go like, oh cool, that's your costume?
Who breaks character the most?
Breaks character.
Bad's cracker.
Yeah. My favourite thing is when we get to like if it's your coverage or if we have shared coverage, and there's always a moment just before we start, especially if I've got something remotely humorous to say, where I'll look at you and before we start you'll go, stop it. Who is most likely to leak a spoiler? You almost did it today.
I did.
But also
Did
like,
you? Confused.
well, it was you were like, oh, there's a scene I can't talk about it. But in the scene, what's happening is. And I went, wait.
What do we think is the most challenging part of filming Shadow and Bone? Night shoots?
Night shoots. I did so many of them, and so many of them were at the beginning of the season as well. So
I never
it was at
saw you.
It was at its coldest time. It was
Yeah.
like minus 10 Celsius outside.
In the script, it's often we'll be walking somewhere and Kaz will go, Jasper, go outside.
Yeah.
Or like,
Yeah,
you,
so
you stay
I-
outside.
yeah,
so
and-
our scenes always happen in like a cozy little...
Yeah, and I'm out on the street somewhere alone. Like, just me and my hat.
What nicknames do you have for each other?
Oh, there's lots of nicknames. You've got the
Buds.
most. You've
I
got
do. Oh my
so
god,
many
guys! Don't
nicknames.
say all
Sean
of them,
Paul.
please.
Sean the Paul.
Long story.
Yeah, that's a very long
a long
story.
story
That
we
went
don't have
through
time to
many
go into.
different changes.
Ben is so talented.
Lovely and handsome and talented.
Actually talented, yeah.
Actually talented.
Actually.
So
Yeah.
actually talented.
Actually,
Yeah.
With a question mark.
No, it's actually, I'm agreeing with you.
Yeah, no, I get it. I just love that sentence.
It was good.
Yeah.
I think there's many things I want to do actually. I want to try everything.
never say never.
Yeah, I think that's quite true. Yeah. I'm up for anything. Dancing.
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 Everything.
You learn to be a sort of master gun
Oh my god.
smith.
With Twizzler.
Taylor.
I think it's
Twizzler. He learned it in about 15 minutes.
Honestly.
It was infuriating.
From like
I remember you being given this like wooden dummy gun.
Yeah, and everyone when they went over to your place
would.
would try it and drop
Yeah.
it immediately. Going, actually, it's quite
Yeah.
hard. You do it.
Yeah, there was one incident I think where there was a party at my place and someone was twizzling one of the guns and got it wrong and smashed your phone.
Yeah, that's fun.
That was
know that.
was a moment of drama, and I had to go. Now, children, put the guns down.
Yeah.
I'll be removing them.
Sleep.
Eat cake.
Amita loves
Eat cake and
to.
sleep.
Not reply to texts.
Oh, no.
Be left alone in peace.
Oh no, Amita loves to play chess. Loves to play chess.
There was a market in Budapest and I got a mini chessboard. But me and you had a game and I
Yeah,
beat
you cheated, remember?
I did not cheat.
I did. This is for 17.
Be there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
He will always reply.
Be there.
He's always there.
He's always there.
Yeah, lurking and loitering.
Yeah. Based off of your
I meant it in a
response,
sweet way.
Freddie will always have a response.
Oh, that's
Oh,
good.
that's even worse.
He's
He's always there. He's always got something to say.
always giving it that.
Keep going, guys. This is great.
The cast of Shadow and Bone have so many.
Group chats.
So many
group
honestly. Too many.
I'll say, I mean, just in case this isn't as entertaining for people to watch as it is for us, the Shadow and Bone cast have so many in-jokes.
Yeah, actually, that's so true.
To the point where there is some where I'm like, I don't know about that one. What's
Yeah.
that one? Thank you for watching us be besties, and make sure that you check out Shadow and Bone only on Netflix.